everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really simple recipe that I love, and I've been making this for decades. The recipe I'm sharing is ratatouille. This time I'm actually using eggplant. It's the end of our summer growing season. We're almost into winter, and I've recently harvested the last of my tomatoes and the last of my eggplant. So I'm going to be using the eggplant today in this recipe. It has, I think it's 5 ingredients. It is so super simple. You can use any vegetables, legumes, canned vegetables, frozen vegetables. You could use anything. So before we get started, I'm Catherine. I'm a 60-year-old retiree living in the Bay of Plenty in New Zealand with my husband Craig and our border terrier Sid. And this channel is all about being active and being as healthy as I can be into my later years so that I can do the things I want to do. I enjoy hiking, I love gardening, we have a camper van, we go away in that. So those are the types of things that you'll see on my channel. Okay, let's get into it.
You'll need 2 cups of vegetables. I've got chopped eggplant here, 1 can of tomatoes, a large chopped onion, some ground black pepper, some sea salt, and 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. The first thing I'm doing is putting the onions into a small amount of olive oil and frying those off. I'm then adding the eggplant and mixing that through thoroughly until that is slightly softened and starting to brown. The next thing I'm adding is my salt and then my pepper and giving that a good stir. Now I'm adding the tomatoes and stirring those in well. I'll leave that to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, and then once it cooks off a little, I'll add half a cup of water. Simmer for a further 5 to 10 minutes and you're done.
So as you can see, that was a super simple recipe. So if you're interested in hearing more from a 60-year-old in New Zealand, click that subscribe button and give me a like and let me know in the comments, have you tried ratatouille or not, and what do you think? Do you think you'll give it a try?